operating the magical EAS system once a week or once a month, you will be doing this. You'll be alerted through paper that will come out of here, and when you have to do one, you will begin by pressing password. And then you will have all this other stuff light up, and they'll ask you for our password, which is 915, like 91.5. You will select an event. We're going to go ahead and do a monthly test. Whoops, okay, we'll do a weekly test. We will do a weekly test. It will press that, and you will get a red button telling you to confirm that that's what you want to do. So we'll press that, and you'll see a message that says enter duration, and you'll get an amount of time that you don't really need to worry about, but you'll get another red button to press which is ready, and it will ask you to send the header, which is the beginning tones that you hear when you hear it on TV or on the radio, and we're going to do that now. Whatever you're broadcasting on the air will stop while this goes through, and you'll be asked to send the rest of the message. This will be the lowest button, and it will transmit the last 3 tones.